Hi, today we will be discussing classical social welfare function. The classical social welfare function was introduced by the economists like Jeremy Bentham, A.C. Pigou, and Alfred Marshall. The peculiarity of classical social welfare function is that it is based upon the concept of cardinal utility. That means utility can be measured cardinally. The social welfare function is simply the addition of all the cardinal utility derived from all the individuals in the society. It simply means that when we add the individual utilities of all the members in a society, we can have the social welfare function. That means, for example, there are different or many individuals in a society, and when we add the utilities of each and every individual particular society all together, you can derive the social welfare function. So this is the basic idea of classical social welfare function. As per the classical social welfare function, each and every society is aiming at maximizing the social welfare. That means every economy or every society in the world is working for maximizing the welfare of the members of the society. Another important feature of classical social welfare function is that it is based upon the concept of diminishing marginal utility of money or income. That means when you are getting more and more income, the additional utility derived from the additional income which you are getting will be goes on diminishing. So as I told you, the aim of every economy is to maximize the welfare of its citizens. So this maximum social welfare can be attained with one and only method of equal distribution of income, which is another important feature of classical social welfare function. So these are the basic ideas regarding classical social welfare function. Hope you got some idea regarding the classical social welfare function. Thank you.